Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Surah Al-Isra or Bani Israel, Section 12. To Musa alayhi salam, Allah had given 9 clear signs. Musa presented these signs and said to Firaun, "You know it well that no one except the Rabb of the heavens and the earth has sent down these signs as clear evidence. And O Firaun, surely I think that you are doomed to destruction." Firaun had resolved to remove Musa and the Israelites from the land of Egypt, but Allah drowned him and those who were with him, leaving the land to be inherited by the followers of Musa. Allah has divided the Quran into sections so that you may recite to the people with deliberation, and Allah has sent it down in gradual revelations to suit particular occasions. People who were endowed with knowledge before its revelation, Jews and Christians, when the Quran is recited to them, they fall upon their faces in prostration and say, "Glory be to our Rabb's promise has been fulfilled." They fall down upon their faces, weeping as they listen, and this increases their reverence. Sajda. Offer your salah neither in too loud a voice, not in too low a voice, but seek a middle course. Glorify Allah's greatness in the best possible way.
Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Surah Al-Kahf, Section 1 to 4. Praise be to Allah who has revealed this Quran and made it free from any crookedness. Allah has made it straightforward so that He may warn you about the terrible punishment for the unbelievers from Him and give good news to the believers who do good deeds. Allah has decked the world with all kinds of ornaments to test the people and to see which of them do the best deeds. Reminder is given through the story of the companions of the cave. They were young men who were believers, and Allah had increased them in guidance and had put courage in their hearts. When they were forced to worship other gods, they openly declared that they would never call upon any other deity except their Rabb. It is only the wicked who invent a lie about Allah. They withdrew from the land and took refuge in a cave. If you could see them in the cave, you might have thought them to be awake, but they were asleep, and their dog lay stretched out with his forepaws at the entrance. When they woke up, they thought that they were asleep for a day or part of a day. They sent one of the companions to the city with a silver coin and asked him to behave with caution. They wanted him to buy pure food so they may have something to eat. Allah caused their secret to be known to the people of the land, so the people may realize that the promise of Allah is true and there is no doubt about the coming hour. Instead of considering about the coming hour of judgment and realizing the miracle, the people started arguing among themselves about what to build over their place of sleep. Finally, they built a place of worship over them. The people guess if they were 3 or 5 or 7. Say, Allah alone knows their number. Do not enter into discussions about this except in a cursory way. Never say of anything, "I will certainly do it tomorrow," provided you add, "if Allah wills." And if you forget to say this, call your Rabb to mind and say, "I hope that my Rabb shall guide me and bring me ever closer than this to the right way." Allah reveals that the companions of the cave had stayed asleep for 309 years. Keep yourself content with those who call upon their Rabb morning and evening, seeking His good pleasure. Let not your eyes turn away from them, desiring the attraction of worldly life. For the rejectors of truth is hellfire, whose flames will hem them from all sides. When they cry for help, they will be showered with hot water like boiling oil, which will scald their faces. What a dreadful drink, and what a horrible residence. For those who believe and do good deeds, for them is Jannah, with gardens of eternity. They will be adorned with bracelets of gold. They will wear green garments of fine, thick silk and recline on soft couches. What an excellent reward and what a beautiful residence.